When you are using Excel 2007, when you open the interface, you're going to see a total of 3 tabs. That is 3 sheets over here at the lower left corner. We have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. But then here in 2019, you'll see only sheet 1. And with this little plus icon, that is if you want to add another sheet to this sheet, as we'll be doing here. Now the sheet 1 happens to be the name of this particular sheet, and if you should double click on it, it takes you to the editing mode, which also known as the renaming mode. You can rename this guy, and I'm going to name it calculations. Then press the enter key on the keyboard to commit the changes, and now you end up renaming this guy right down here. Now to add a worksheet, you're going to click on new worksheet right here, this plus icon. This is going to add a new worksheet to the existing worksheet you've got. And another way to rename it is to right click on the sheet, then go to rename. Then when you click on rename, you can name this one test, then press the enter key on the keyboard. That is another way to work. Then I'm going to click on this guy again to add another sheet. This time I'm going to right click on it and then press the R key on the keyboard. That is another trick. Right click on it, then press the R key to take you to the renaming mode. And I'm going to name this one practice. Then press the enter key on the keyboard. Now for some reason I don't like, maybe I want the practice to come first, followed by calculation, followed by test. Then I will drag the practice, or the notice as I drag, I got a little black pointing arrow telling me that, hey, if I let go of the mouse button, it's going to put it right in the middle of calculation and test. But that is not where I want it to be though. Instead, I want it to come first. So I'm going to drag it to the left side a bit. Then I get what I want down there and then release it over there. So practice, calculation, test. Now I want the calculation to go last. So I'm going to drag the calculation by its tab, then let it go right down here. So let go of the mouse button and then you are good to go. And friends, that is how to add a worksheet and then also rename and then move them here inside Excel.